Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. This is a business plan presentation of our company, the Woodpecker. We are from Group 6 of MAC2204B. As you can see, this is our company logo, the Woodpecker. We are a social company collecting and recycling recycled waste in manufacturing schools that's set for poor public schools. According to a study of dropouts and low achievement by Kementerian Pelajaran Malaysia 1974 shows there are a wide achievement gap between the students from urban area and the students from rural area in terms of overall achievement and quality. This study found that both factors that are family socio-economic status and school basic facilities affect the students' academic achievement. Therefore, our team members consist of Fariesha Syazwani, Addina Syaza, Annisa, Salmiza, Ainatasya, and Muhammad Hafiz has come up with a mission that are not only to provide better study environment for students but also to preserve the environment. We also have a vision to become the finest and leading company in this industry.
So the problem in community is there are many public schools in Malaysia that are still left behind in education because lack of school furniture like desks and chairs. In 2004, more than 30% or 2,834 primary schools that provide basic education in Malaysia are small in scale or poor, with enrollment of less than 150 students based on KPM 2004. The chairs and tables in most classrooms are in a deplorable state, and sometimes the children get their hands or legs stuck in the broken hinges, said the school assistant student manager Narula Barahim. And this today's discussion, the news that we collect from the Googles about the school that need help in furniture like desks and chairs. So this is the solution of the problem that has stated above. 30% of our company's profit will be donated to those needed public schools in the form of furniture, students' desk set. We also signed a contract with the government to set school desk set to them in a lower price as they were made of recycled waste.
For the opportunity, we are targeting schools in Sarawak that are still left behind in education because of the lack of school furniture. As for the target market, first under geographic segmentation, our main target market is schools in Sarawak that include 3 divisions which are Kuching Division in Kuching and Siburan, Bintulu Division in Bintulu and Tatau, and Sibu Division which are Sibu and Selangau. Second, under demographic segmentation, our main focus is for all students to help them by providing convenience to study. We expected that this product would be purchased by those who require a focused and comfortable space for the students. We create a great combination of low cost and high quality furniture, so anyone from lower to high income level can purchase our products. As for the gender, both boys and girls can use our product. Third, under psychographics segmentation, our products are suitable for all variety range of social class, but we are more focused in encouraging students to maintain good body posture, which is essential for growing bodies. Next, environmental trends. First, eco-friendly furniture. Furniture manufacturers have been influenced by business and consumer interest in green products and an increased focus on sustainability. We are really concerned about the environment. To reduce environmental impact, the Woodpecker made a furniture from recycled materials. Second, face mask pollution. Concerned about the waste generated by disposable face masks, many of which are made of polypropylene, the Woodpecker has come up with an eco-friendly solution using them as one of the materials for our furniture. We keep them in the storage for at least 4 days to reduce the possibility of coronavirus transmission. And the last one is plastic pollution. Most of people are already familiar with the dangers of plastic, such as the impact on sea pollution and the problems in plastic breakdown. As a result of these dangers, the Woodpecker recycles the plastic to be used in the manufacture of our furniture in order to reduce environmental pollution.
So these are our company's rival. First, IKEA. IKEA is a strong global brand image. It cares about the environment and is committed to long-term success, but they do not have enough distribution channels and it is difficult for them to maintain standards and quality. The second competitors is Telewood Furniture Sdn Bhd. This company have a strong performance against its competitors. They also provide customer with a one-stop shop. However, they have a low level of invention in their products and it has a limited number of stores. The next opponent is Hapsang Furniture. They provide fast delivery services to their customers and they obtain customer satisfaction. Nonetheless, the products are more expensive and they lack of advertising. Others rival have good quality of products and affordable, but the product's packaging is not secure and low in the marketing strategy skill.
Next, how we will compete with other competitors in furniture industry. First, understand who's buying our furniture and meet them where they are. Once we know who our audience is, there are various ways to reach them in today's multi-channel market. Second, we will pick social platforms to connect with the buyers. We will post some likable images and shareable videos that are relevant to our brand. Our goal for these social platforms is to engage with the customers. Third, create a high quality of products. Offering quality furniture will earn us respect and a reputation for reliability. Fourth, we will offer competitive pricing. When we offer competitive pricing, we also offer value to make it worthwhile for a customer to shop at our store. Fifth, have a trained sales team. Having a trained sales team lets us convey confidence in our products and company. Our sales team have a strong knowledge about the products and understand the different price points. They will help the customers to find what they need. And the last one is good delivery service. We require our delivery staff to be presentable and polite. We will determine the day and time of delivery and confirm with the customer. The delivery staff also should know how to handle the furniture appropriately and carry tools to take care of minor problems such as touch-up pens and screwdrivers. For marketing and sales, under marketing strategy, first we have product. The Woodpecker created a product that is going to help students who use the products feel comfort when studying. Second, for the price, cost-based pricing is the pricing method that is used to determine the selling price of a product, as we want our customers to get affordable prices with a good quality product. Third, sales tactic. For the sales tactic, first, we will build a relationship with our customers. Second, we will determine and meet our customers' need. And third, we will offer some type of guarantee for our products. Fourth, service and warranty. Product warranties benefit both customers and our business because they set expectation, protect both parties, give businesses an advantage, and encourage repeat sales because customers know they can rely on us. Fifth, promotion. 3 advertising method is being used by the Woodpecker to advertise our product, which are through website, social medias such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and printing such as banners, flyers, and business card. And the last one for marketing strategy is place or distribution. The Woodpecker sells furniture through both physical and online stores. We distribute and sell our products in our own shop, shopping malls and furniture outlets. Other than that, for online stores, we sell through Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Under sales process, first we have initial conversation. The customers can call us or fill out a form on our contact us page in the website and social medias. We will reach out to the customers via their preferred method of contact. Second, in-person consultation. First, we will see the space. Seeing the space helps us know what the customers are working with so they get the best service we can give. Third, showroom consultation. We do have our own showroom at our main office in Kuching. We will show them how their space can be set up. Fourth, space planning. As part of the entire process, we will help the customer with the design of their new space. And the last one is the follow-up. The follow-up stage keeps us in contact with the customers we have closed, not only for the potential repeat business, but for referrals as well.
I will present about financial projection. Since we are a new company in furniture industry, so we decided to not focusing in making profit in the first year. We will begin to make profit in the second year, which is 2023. The total capital needed by the Woodpecker is 1,050,000 to run the production.
So, for our milestone, we already accomplished 3 activities while another 3 activities are still in progress. Business registration, set up factory and office, and research and development already accomplished. Order sample of products, order raw material for operation and production begin are still in progress.
Next is financing source. So we are seeking finance from bank loan amounted to 500,000, equity contribution 250,000 each member, and equity financing amount 300,000. So we will spend the money to administration expense, advertising expense, marketing expense, operation cost, office equipment and vehicle.
In our conclusion, based on the overall operating business, this company are beneficial for the target community and also for others. It is because Malaysian citizens also can donate or give their recycled items to us so that we can help put the recycled items into useful website for the deficient schools. Even though we are not using 100% recycled items, but it helps us making great furniture. Thank you for your attention.